Hey, it's Mike with Serr.biz, search engine ranking rules. And today we're going to learn how to add alt tags to our images. We are going to do so in a Joomla website, a WordPress website, and a Duda website. It's all basically the same, but each process is a little bit different. So I thought I'd show you all three. Let's go to the screen. Okay, so we are in the back end of a Joomla website. Just made a page here called Soup. Because I happen to have an image of soup from a food blog that I worked on at one point. Anyway, there's the image. I've already inserted it into the article. In Joomla, and the version that I have, you right-click and click Image. And over here, you have two options, image description and image title. You should do both. This is specifically about alt tags. So the actual thing that creates the alt tag in Joomla is image description right here. So then there is a title. Title is another way to get some more SEO keywords related to your image onto the image in the text, as I'll show you next. But first, we would just say, okay, and then save, and nothing changed, but actually it did. What happened is in the back end, if we look right here, we've looked at the source code. Inspect, there's the image, there's the title of the image, and then we have the alt tag right there, bowl of soup, image description. So that's how you do it in Joomla. Let's pop over to a WordPress website. We already have a page added, and we added an image right there, Mr. Robot. And all we have to do is click these three dots, say show more settings, and voila, over here we have the alt tag box. And in this case, it's going to be called, Mr. Robot holding a laptop. Demo of alt tags. There you go. So that's how you do it in WordPress. Now, let's go over to the Duda website that we've been working on. So here's an image here, and it pops up, some functionality. And if I scroll down, we can see I've already added alt text to this image, but right there, alt text is where you would enter your alt text. So it's just that simple. Nice thing with Duda, you don't have to hit save or anything. It auto does it. Just close it, and it's already saved. And then up here, you would republish, etc. So that's how you add an alt tag to an image in Joomla, WordPress, and Duda. And of course, other editors and CMS systems will have something similar. They may not always call it an alt tag like Joomla didn't. They called it description. However, all good CMS systems are going to have some type of alt tag function that you can use to add alt tags. And if you're hand coding, of course, then you would just hand code the alt tag to your image tag. All right, that's it for today. See you next time. If you like this video and you found it helpful, please like and subscribe. It helps encourage me to keep making more tutorials. Thanks for your time.